You just asked when I was here last time. It's been 32 years, and now that I came to China day before yesterday, I'm seeing a new China, which people call present day miracle. And it has completely changed. It's a completely transformed place. And the success that China has achieved over all these decades, over all these years, is not only formidable, it is also an inspiration for countries like Pakistan and for a newcomer like me. I think China is now also a miracle in curbing the pollution, in smog mitigation, in smog eradication, and the steps that China has taken. Not only an inspiration for us to learn from, but I must also commend Mr. Minister, His Excellency the Minister sitting here. I was going through his profile and I saw how learned he is. We are committed to contributing as much as we can, do everything under the sun to make air breathable for the people of Punjab. Embarking on this visit to China, we have opened applications for solar panels. We are doing joint ventures with Chinese companies. And because people are bogged down by the increasing energy costs, and it does affect industry and the household equally. So we are introducing, I want to go big on solar, clean energy, green energy, and wind energy, so that everything that we do makes the environment safer. I suggest a Beijing Punjab working group, as I suggested earlier, that does knowledge sharing, policy formulation, policy coordination, technology transfer, capacity building, data sharing, emission reduction strategies, green urban planning, green energy, and e-transport.